Round one.
What does Sam say?
मेरी आवाज आ रही है? It's Sham versus this lame fuck. He ain't tough. पहले था वुल्फी के साथ बैटल, then I got this mean duck. पर थोड़ा पास आके देखूं, अंकल शक्ल, झड़ते बाल, पेट बाहर, जाड़ी गांड. So it's true, my G. So bitch, you look like me. And he's gonna call me all that shit. करेगा जानबूझ के नाटक. Bitch, look at you. You have been like Falguni Pathak. And half the time he calls Mumbai hip hop out. Fucking fake woke. Always rounding up some shit. So it's still Falguni Pathak cause he pretends to be that guy but sounds like a bitch. और इसके बार्स में होगा शॉक वैल्यू पर इसकी लिखाई सड़क से भटक गई है. अपनी कलम अच्छे से झटक शायद कलाइयों में अटक रही है. शायद कलाइयों में अटक रही है पर मैं भूल गया ये शोले का ठाकुर. इसकी कला में वो पकड़ नहीं है.
Let's go. क्या बात है?
भाई तू यहाँ था आधी जिंदगी पर मैं कुछ साल से हूँ. तेरी लिखाई में वो ढलान देखूं और सामने खड़ा चट्टान के तू. सागर में भूचाल लाके लिया समुद्री तूफान का रूप. तुझसे तेरा मुकाम ले लूं उदित नारायण. आजकल ऑडियंस की जुबान पे हूँ. और भाई अगर तू इसका दोस्त है, 2-3 बार से ज्यादा मिला या इसके संग घूमता है, तेरी बुराई इसने पक्का की है. तेरी बुराई इसने पक्का की है. इसी में इसका मन झूमता है. और हम अलीजेंस वाले एक साथ बैठते हैं और ये पूरा टाइम गन थूकता है. ये जहर है तो इससे ज्यादा घुलने मिलने से दम घुटता है. और भाई हम बैठे एक साथ और इसका चालू. ये सेलिब्रिटी बोला कि मैं बेस्ट हूँ. EMF ने मेरे सपने में आके गाली दी और एक्स मिली दबाया उसका गोल चूचा. और भाई हम सब सोच रहे हैं कि लौड़े तेरे को कौन पूछा. लवड़े तेरे को कौन पूछा. और भाई इसकी बड़ाई कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती कि हमेशा हम फर्स्ट. फकिंग पीपल प्लीजर. मैं सबको अच्छा लग रहा हूं ना, इसी में करे अपना सर खर्च. दोस्ती का एक आराम का लम्हा भी बने इसका रंगमंच. और अगली बार ज्यादा पंचायत की तो पड़ेगा सरपंच. तो पड़ेगा सरपंच. और आज ना तेरा भाई साथ तो एक मुक्का करे पूरे मुंह का बंटवारा और आबे जायदाद. टाइम
ये ले इतना भी दब. Your round 2 is on Rapture. Let's go. Round 1. Yeah. Round 1. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, Rapture. Sham Tanak. Who the fuck are you? Well, I know who the fuck you are. मेरा जूनियर जो अपनी औकात भूल गया. सागर को पार करके इसको लगता है इसका डर भी पीछे छूट गया. यो पर तेरा युद्ध ना था राम से तू बस निकला घर का बेदी. राम ने मारे असुर सारे पर कभी लड़ा लक्ष्मण से नहीं. यो बट आज वो दिन आ गया जब भाई ही भाई को मारेगा. बट अगर आज ये राम जीत गया तो उसका राम राज्य हारेगा. पर आज ये राम जीत गया तो उसका राम राज्य हारेगा, तो क्या करे ये राम, हुआ त्याही भीतर वो, बट क्या अगर मैं राम नहीं तो मैं रावण जो आज मारेगा इस विभीषण को। You thought I'll only rap in English, but कलम मेरे वसन में बार्स करे चर्बी भस्म तेरे बदन से, बार्स करे चर्बी भस्म तेरे बदन से, और कलू कतल मेरे कथन से। यो तूने किया सागर मंथन अपने चरम पे, बट लाइक वासुकी आई विल रैप सर्कल अराउंड यू एंड होगा अमृत प्रकट समंदर से।
Let's go.
You bitches! You want to go toe to toe with the giant? This ain't David versus Goliath. I will stomp on you like Kumkaran because I'm still hungry with my diet. Hey yo! You ugly motherfucker! You ugly motherfucker! Sham is so ugly. If he was a billionaire in 2009, Jeffrey Epstein would reject you as a client. You are so ugly! If you were a billionaire in 2009, Jeffrey Epstein would reject you as a client. People say beauty is subjective, just to be kind. Then look at him and immediately change their mind. I mean, Sham is so ugly, even men step back slowly. Yo, even men step back slowly. You don't socialize, you linger quietly and nosy. Hey yo, Sham was watching Anushka in Rab De Bana Di Jodi and got a restraining order directly from Virat Kohli. Hey yo, you ugly motherfucker. Sham is one of those sweet looking black dudes who keeps looking at boobs. Hey yo, Sham is one of those sweet looking black dudes who keeps looking at boobs. Motherfucker like him never grow up. If you ever went down on a girl, her vagina would throw up. Ugly motherfucker. Hey yo, ugly motherfucker. Creepy motherfuckers like you never grow up. If you ever went down on a girl, her vagina would throw up. Her menstrual cycle will take an Uber ride. Her menstrual cycle will take an Uber ride. The eggs in her uterus will commit suicide. The eggs in her uterus will commit suicide. I mean, hey yo, sex is a part of life that Sham will never triumph. Hey yo, sex is a part of life Sham will never triumph. He's the human embodiment of a menopause. Because as soon as he walks into the room, all the vaginas dry up. You ugly motherfucker! And you wanna do gun bars, bro? Yeah. And you wanna do gun bars, bro? Gun bars? Bro, look at you. You look like your previous job was picking up Bangar. Hey yo! And since it is psychosocial for using a slip knot to tie you, I got an automatic. I call it the game. It is built for a motorhead like you. Hey yo! And this is gonna be a mega death. I'm gonna play the Symphony of Destruction to chill. So I got 2 more guns, AC/DC, and I'm gonna shoot to thrill. Hey yo! I'm gonna rock your confidence and make sure it's never settled. But why name these songs and bands? But since I called you a Bhangarwala, let's see how you deal with these heavy metals. Hey yo! This is the 2018 white jacket rapture that this is the 2018 white jacket rapture that Gorinda metaphors find cracking rapture. Fuck being a manager. I'm back to being that always angry, lose it on side manic rapture. Bitch.
Let's go.
Hey yo! Hey yo, this is the 2018 White Jacket Rapture. That gore in the metaphor spine cracking rapture. Fuck being a manager. I'm back to being that always angry, lose it on sight manic rapture. Hey yo, you filed a complaint with aggressive intentions. You wanted a trial, public attention, but the verdict is delivered and there's no room for objection. You asked for this smoke, now choke on this sentence. Hey yo, and this was just a round one, just a trailer. Hey yo, just a trailer. Teaser of damage, light flavor of danger. I previewed the exposure. There's more coming later. Round 2 is the feature, and you're the disclaimer. 1-0.
No.
Yo, round 2. It's on Sham. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody,
Let's go.
Rapture. You can't trap or paint a picture with me. You gotta know from the start. I'll cut your face up in places and leave so many scars. Even the autopsy would read. What once had symmetrical features is now abstract art. But let's go Hindi. इसका शरीर पड़े खुले घास में पर जमीन से जुड़ ना पाएगी. सूखे खुले आग पे भिन भिनाती मक्खियां सूखे खून से घुलती जाएगी. फिर कीड़े जंतु त्वचा फाड़ कर दिखे आधा चेहरा और ना कपाल बंद इसका मांस चुन के खाएगी. ये पूरी जिंदगी बढ़ता सुन और अब लाश पे भी मूंगी आएगी. Let's go!
पीछे जाओ.
पीछे सही बोल रहा है पीछे.
Yo, go back. Make
हाँ.
space. Yes, please.
But ज़्यादा hardcore हो गया. थोड़ा light चाहिए. So you all know Rapture grew up without a father, right?
I actually didn't.
So while other teenagers were watching hot porn, Rapture spent most of his time on GoDaddy.com. ये क्या मसला है? ये मैयत ने उठ के मुर्दा खुद हंस रहा है. But let's get serious. Rapture, you know what I don't like about you, dog? कि इंटरनेट पे घड़ी घड़ी पोस्ट करता अपने गरीबी का दौर. कि जब मैं 12 साल का था स्कूल फीस भरने के लिए तो रोज भाग रहा. 16 साल में पर्स बेच के तब पैसे जोड़ पा रहा. खाली चाहिए था 60 बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक, रोती नेहा कक्कर और लगता इंडियन आइडल माफिक वोट मांग रहा. पर समीर, इसमें तेरी गलती नहीं कि तेरी लाइफ गरीबी में दबी थी. और ये सब बातें शायद तूने हड़बड़ी में कही थी. पर इंटरनेट पे ये सब बोल के तू दिखा रहा है कि तेरी अकेली पालने वाली माँ की परवरिश में कमी थी. But you all know when father and kids don't string along to a son that one part hits. A son always wants to hold on to the father's finger and take some steps right quick. Dad says life is gonna be golden, son. I've got your back, my kid. And you wish your dad would come back like this. Very proud.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
What's up, bro?
Let's go.
What props and shit, bro.
Let's go, bro. Timing, bro. Let's go, bro.
Time.
Yo, that's time. Round 2 is on Rapture.
Yo, Sham Danak. Who the fuck are you? Well, I know exactly who the fuck you are. A loser. A fat, bald, unemployed, ugly looking loser. But you know what rhymes with loser? 0 songs in 2 years. Yo, 0 songs in 2 years. You are losing your ability. Getting fat sitting on your ass. You are losing your agility. All gassed up and bloated, you are losing to acidity. But looking at your face, you're never losing virginity. Hey yo! कहाँ गया बेंचोद? You even lost to Advaid. You are losing your validity. That's why nobody took shots on you. You know you are the biggest loser when the concept of losing is lost on you. Hey yo! And women, they don't fear you. They don't hate you. They just forget you. And that's the part that breaks you. Because feeling ignored doesn't give you a villain to fight. Just a mirror on your face that said that you didn't matter tonight. Yo, and you wanna know why? Because you don't command space. You spill into it awkward. Hey yo! Hey yo! You don't command space. You spill into it awkward. Like your body never learned how to exist with a posture. Hey yo! That's why you over enunciate and over project and over try. But if I do it right, then the truth might comply. You dress so loud. You dress so loud because your presence doesn't carry weight. Layer after layer trying to barricade the shape. Nothing tailored, nothing chosen with intention. Just fabric doing overtime to soften your dimensions. Hey yo! Hey yo! Your words are so loud. But your career has been silent. You've been stagnant since years and thinking you are timeless. Hey yo, and thinking you are timeless. Hey yo, you call it hunger, I call it desperation dressed as drive. Hey yo, you call it hunger, I call it desperation dressed as drive. Hey yo, you chase respect like it's external because inside there is nothing left alive. Hey yo, you don't lose battle. You don't lose battle. You dissolve slowly under scrutiny. Every round another reminder that you went built for continuity. Hey yo! And you confuse intention with efforts. And thinking with, hey yo, you confuse intention with effort. And thinking with the grind. But efforts without result just mean you are lying to time. Hey yo, you are not my rival. You are an example of what happened when hype lies. Talent can't be faked forever. It expires when time tries. Hey yo, time is his favorite excuse. He always tells me, Rapture, the timing ain't right. But timing requires momentum, and momentum comes from movement. That's something you are resenting. Hey yo, that's something you are resenting. He waits for confidence to strike like it's lightning, but confidence comes after work, and that's the irony biting. Hey yo, and that's the irony biting. But after this, you would think a motherfucker is humble, right? Nah, this douchebag has opinions. Hey yo, this douchebag has opinions. He got opinions on sound, on culture, on bars, but 0 files exported. Bro, you didn't even start. You didn't even start. He always tells me I'm cooking, but the stove is never on. The whole kitchen is imaginary, apron clean as your songs. Apron clean as your songs, say yo. Yo, and by the time this round ends, it won't feel like a defeat. It will feel like exposure, quiet and complete. No cheers, no boos, just an uncomfortable truth that you walked yourself into a space you were never built to move. Hey yo, this ain't a body, it's an eviction. You don't belong on this stage. Hey yo, this is an body. It's so ugly I make me forget my round. Hey yo, stop looking at him, bro. Hey yo. Hey yo, This ain't a body, it's an eviction. You don't belong in this space. I did nothing personal, still erased you in this place. And you just came in for a moment, but moments don't last here. Legends get remembered, and you were just filling the gap here. Time.
Let's go, guys.
पकड़िए
Alright, round 3 is on Sham. Let's go.
भाई ये फेक को इतनी ढींगे मारता है कि तू बोलेगा आई एम सॉरी, बोलता है इस बड़े आर्टिस्ट को डिस्कवर किया और इस आर्टिस्ट के करियर की बांधी डोरी। अच्छा, यानी इस सारे सेलेब पे तेरा हाथ है, जाड़े और ही देखो एक सेकंड क्लिक नहीं हुआ, देखो एक सेकंड क्लिक नहीं हुआ। जाड़े और ही बट
Yo, shut up.
Did you all see his court battle? Man, court just toyed with him. Then pedophilia boss mentally destroyed his shit. So if a girl DMs him now, he'll just avoid that bit. Court said you're more deadly than him just cause you annoyed a chick.
और नोएडा चिक, ओ फक, ओके। मैं सुना ही नहीं।
Annoyed a chick, but he's stuck in his battle rap character, and that's a tough fixture. 10 साल पहले श्रेयस के अगेंस्ट गया था मस्त लिख कर। श्रेयस ने सेक्सटिंग स्क्रीनशॉट दिखाए और बोला चल चढ़। और जब उस दिशा में बात गई, इसके चेहरे के रंग उड़ गए। तलविंदर
What's up, champ?
बट ये पीडो नहीं है, छुपाए सच भीतर। So then screenshots were taken from a fake account. The whole shit was resting on a lie. Then code made it look like it was a small kid and was acting like it's right. But you know what bothers me, my bhai, is that you told Shreyas it's fake, and then 6 years later told Shaiko and Ansh that you were underage. Why are you stressing on my mind? If it's fake, why does it even matter that you were underage? Let me tell you all why. Because he didn't want to tell you all कि इसका चूतिया कट गया and he was actually sexting with a guy.
ये माधव चोद गया जैसे ना। I'm gonna go back in time and kill him, bro.
Bro, them pedo rumors would have gone long away if you had just told them that you jacked off to a guy's text and then felt you were gay. But you thought that you were talking to a girl, and that shit wasn't planned either. But last battle, he said, you know what rhymes with man eater? I'm a man eater. Time.
Yo, make some fucking noise for Sham right here, bro. Yo, round 3 is on Rapture. Let's go.
He called me Talvinder. He said I, lie that I made people celebrities. But उनके लिए थी जगह नहीं. And तुम भी चूतिए आए थे मेरे पास क्योंकि तुम किसी को थी दिशा पता नहीं. झाटू साला. Sham Danak.
This has to be Bharat.
You're going to say it with me. Sham Dana. Who the fuck are you? A failed experiment I should have never started. Hey yo, a failed experiment I should have never started. You did nothing worth of substance or solidity to market. Your crewmates are light years ahead of you, and you are barely catching up. So stop talking about value. Start contributing and adding up. Hey yo, Sagar is pursuing his degree. He got foreign plans. Vanithar is dropping bangers, even blew up on Instagram. Everybody else got their shit going on. Even Himanshu came back. Damn. And what the fuck are you doing, Sham? You are just living to your name. You're just a sham. Hey, yo, and me? I built the room that you are sweating in, the stage that you are shaking on. 10 years in the game and you're still working on your debut song. Yo, 10 years in the game and you're still working on your debut song. You don't hate me. You don't hate me because I wronged you. You don't hate me because I wronged you or led you to a shame. You hate me because I represent everything you never became. Hey, yo. And what the fuck did you become? A man-child. Hey, yo. A man-child. Still living with his parents like a permanent guest. Hey, yo. Grown-ass man with no rent or address. Hey, yo. You still living with your parents like a permanent guest. Grown-ass man with no rent or address. You got a mouth of an adult, but a child safety net. That's why you keep talking reckless, because consequences haven't met you yet.
Good one.
Because this is how experience sounds like. Yo. Because consequences haven't met you yet. But you know what rhymes with man-child? What? You are living your life on standby. You are living your life on standby, waiting for motivation to ring. But motivation doesn't come to people who don't commit to a thing. Hey yo, you are not young enough for potential, not old enough for wisdom. You're just stuck in the worst middle ground where reality hits them. Hey yo. You love to talk ambition in a borrowed environment. Yo, you love to talk ambition in a borrowed environment, dreaming big without ignoring the cost of requirement. You want credit for presence and applause for attendance, but art doesn't need proximity. It demands obsession. Hey, yo.
Let's go.
It demands obsession. And this douchebag thought that it's good to call me out. Yo, you calling me out like the hierarchy is optional. Hey, yo, again, 10 years in the game and you barely stayed functional. You are in a crew that I founded, a league that I designed. Calling me out is like biting the hand that gave you the mic. You battle on a platform that I built from the dirt. Now you're acting surprised that you feel out of place when it hurts. You are an underachiever with a misplaced pride who mistook access for equality and confidence for his right. Hey, yo. Who mistook equality and confidence for his right. You are not my rival. You my responsibility regretted. A proof that proximity doesn't lead to progression or merit. Hey, yo, and calling me out wasn't brave or bold. It just made everybody else understand how you misunderstand your role. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. And you never deserved my pen in the first place. I just wanted to take the dirt off it before I body EMF in the worst ways. Let's go. You never deserved my pen in the first place. I was just dusting up. Uska bat already set hai. So I was dusting it off before I body EMF in the worst ways. And I'm not stopping in that. I'm getting AJ and poetic before that. And everybody else can settle battling for Vanithar, because to me you are no match. So go tell KOTD that I'm ready for legacy and massacre. And go tell URL that I'm coming from summer madness afterwards. And go tag Real Sick and tell him that I'm calling him out. And I'm gonna drag Disaster to India to show him what we are about. Hey, And I'm gonna drag Disaster to India to show him what we are about. We are a Legions, motherfucker. Hey yo, we are a Legions, motherfucker, and this is just the beginning. And fuck every other crew who think they are winning. And I didn't battle this dumbass because I hate him or something. I just battled him to show you all that battle rap is alive and we are keeping it running. बोला था कि बेटरी नहीं करूँगा
Yo, that's a fucking battle. Make some fucking noise for both these motherfuckers. So glad, brother, you do this shit. Bro.